On this wall is a bag of concerns. Inside of the bag, you'll find those concerns lined neatly into rows. 48 individual concerns. A typewriter, specifically from the 60s, and of course, missing some parts. But why does a typewriter fold my mind so? It's like this. I think it's not so much the typewriter itself, but the ideas around it. But I think, when I think about it, the type of person to use a typewriter is super pretentious, super overthinking about everything. And I'm worried about being identified with that sort of person. But I think I need to separate the tool from the idea of the tool. And I think that's where the trouble is. It comes in not separating the tool from the identity that the tool gives you. For example, a Leica doesn't make you pretentious, a chef's knife doesn't make you a chef, or a wrench doesn't make you a plumber. And yet, I stereotype and I create these little categories where these things go together. And the problem comes when I stop using this as a pen or understanding it as a tool, but I use it to create an identity.
Thing that's happened to typing.
MW 735 Corinthian leather.
We live in a world that hungers to define us. And I think that's where the issue comes in. We have advertising agencies who tell us if you buy this or if you own this, you will be this sort of person. We have companies and groups and people who say if you act in a certain way, you will be one of us. You will have this value. Underneath all of this, underneath so many of these issues, is identity. And I think when we forget that we're designed beings, knitted together in our mother's womb, when our identity comes from our creator, when we miss all of these things, now we have to find identity from somewhere else because we're hungry to have purpose and be made with purpose. But it's only now, it's only once we understand our purpose, be it prescribed or pulled from something fake or real, that we can start to define the tools that we have instead of having them define us. Thank you for watching, and God bless. What do you have to say, sir? Sir, can you please say something to the camera?